Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between market and marketing. A market is a platform, physical or virtual, where buyers and sellers meet to exchange goods, services, or information. It is not limited to physical spaces such as shops or bazaars, but also includes digital marketplaces like e-commerce websites. On the other hand, marketing encompasses activities and strategies designed to promote, sell, and distribute products or services. It involves understanding customer needs, creating value, and communicating that value effectively to the target audience. Unlike a market, which is a place or platform, marketing is a process or practice that drives business growth. So, let's look into the basic differences between market and marketing in a tabular form. Difference number 1. A market is a place where buyers and sellers meet to exchange goods and services, whereas marketing is a method used to understand human nature, identify demand, and satisfy needs. Number 2. A market refers to a physical or virtual location, whereas marketing is a strategic and conceptual activity focused on customer engagement. Number 3. The market operates on the principle of demand and supply to determine prices, whereas marketing involves researching, analyzing, creating, and delivering value to the customer. Number 4. A market is a narrow and confined concept, whereas marketing is broader and encompasses several business functions like product development, pricing, and promotion. Number 5. The market focuses on facilitating transactions, whereas marketing focuses on understanding and fulfilling customer needs and building relationships. Number 6. A market is open to anyone who wishes to buy or sell, whereas marketing targets specific customer segments based on behavior and preferences. Number 7. A market can exist independently as a platform for exchange, whereas marketing relies on insights from the market to formulate strategies. Number 8. The primary purpose of a market is to facilitate buying and selling, whereas the goal of marketing is to create customer value and ensure satisfaction. Number 9. The market varies based on product, location, and demand, whereas marketing tends to follow standardized practices regardless of the product. And difference number 10. A market traditionally functions at specific times and places, like bazaars or malls, whereas marketing operates continuously across various platforms, including digital media. So, these are the differences between market and marketing. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.